As you're probably aware, Weave at Cloud separates the whole designing and management of your integrations from the actual running of those integrations. So while there's a core service for managing and designing the integrations, Weave allows you to attach one or more, basically multiple, what we call integration app containers to your account. And then when you want to start an integration, you can select one of those containers to run it on. So there are two main areas of concern or things to be aware of in terms of security in this model. The first is not actually really a concern at all. So basically, the channel for communication between the main service and the actual integration app containers. That's all secured for you. That's over a secured connection. So where you may need to take note is in the fact that all Weave at Cloud integrations can expose HTTP, public HTTP endpoints, and those endpoints would be needed basically for the likes of webhook integration, so receiving notification over HTTP from external SaaS services or whatever. Okay, so by default that connection is not secure, which may or may not be a concern for you depending on your integrations. But if you do want to actually secure it, what you need to do is just go into the settings here in Weave at Cloud, and down here you'll see container URL. So that's the default container URL, and as you can see it's a HTTP connection. So if you, or HTTP protocol, so if you click on this link here, you'll get instructions and a link to a document for how to actually secure your container. And the instructions for that are basically the same instructions you would follow for securing any run at cloud application. So once you've done that, then you'll have a secure URL. You can just update the URL here in the Weave at Cloud console. So that goes to whatever, a HTTPS type URL, and you click update, and from that point forward then any integrations you stop or start will be basically exposed. The HTTP endpoints and those will be over HTTPS. So again, maybe to note there is, after you do that you may have to restart some integrations. If you've got integrations that are using webhooks, you may need to stop and start them again so that they pick up and are restarted with a HTTPS endpoint.